Your brain is only 2% of your body. Yet it steals 20% of your oxygen every minute. And here's the plot twist nobody warns you about. If your blood vessels stiffen, even a little, your brain starts starving in slow motion. That's how memory slips. That's how dementia begins, decades before symptoms appear. But the good news? You can literally feed your brain back to life with foods that reopen the tiny rivers, delivering oxygen to your mind. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 superfoods proven to restore brain blood flow, boost nitric oxide, protect your vessels, and help you keep your memory sharp for life. Every thought, every emotion, every word you speak runs on microcirculation. Tiny vessels, delicate rivers. When they're flexible, the brain thrives. When they're stiff, clogged, or starved, cognition crashes. Chronic high blood pressure doesn't just raise disease risk, it triples your risk of dementia. Too high, your vessels rupture. Too low, your brain goes hungry. The key isn't medication alone. It's vascular flexibility, powered by one molecule, nitric oxide, your internal vasodilator. Your endothelial cells, the sensors inside your blood vessels, release nitric oxide to expand and relax your arteries. And certain foods supercharge that process. More nitrogen monoxide equals more blood flow. More blood flow equals more oxygen. More oxygen equals clearer thinking, faster recall, stronger protection against dementia. So let's hit the foods that turn the system back on. 1. Beets. The nitric oxide rocket. Beets are packed with natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide. They open blood vessels wide and flood the frontal lobe, your focus center, with fresh blood. Beet juice has literally been shown to increase brain perfusion in older adults. 2. Blueberries, memory region activator. These tiny blue powerhouses contain anthocyanins that cross the blood-brain barrier. They boost blood flow in memory regions, and research shows regular eaters age 2.5 years slower cognitively. 3. Leafy greens, magnesium and nitrate combo, spinach, kale, arugula, they're nitrate gold mines. Plus, magnesium relaxes vessel walls. Just one serving a day can drop systolic blood pressure by 5 points. And magnesium deficiency? A silent pathway to dementia. 4. Pomegranates, endothelial protector, loaded with punchy. They shield the inner lining of your arteries from oxidative stress. Clinical trials show better carotid blood flow and improved memory recall after 12 weeks. 5. Dark cocoa, 80%. Nature's vasodilator. With powerful flavonols that spike nitric oxide production, cocoa increases brain blood flow measurably. 2 cups a day boosted cognitive performance in older adults by 30%. Pro tip: use plant milk. Dairy blocks the polyphenols. 6. Garlic and onions, anti-stiffness. Duo with allicin, a compound that reduces arterial stiffness and keeps platelets from clumping. Better flow equals better hippocampal perfusion equals better memory. 7. Walnuts, brain-shaped for a reason. Ayla, la. Arginine, vitamin E, all boosting endothelial nitrogen monoxide production. Long-term walnut eaters show stronger cognitive performance as they age. 8. Citrus fruits, vitamin C+. Hesperidin, vitamin C protects nitric oxide. Hesperidin increases blood flow velocity. Just one citrus a day can cut stroke risk by 19%. But careful, if you're on medication, avoid grapefruit. 9. Turmeric and ginger, anti-inflammatory flow boosters. Turmeric raises BDNF, the growth factor that keeps neurons alive. Ginger improves capillary flow and keeps platelets from getting sticky. Together, they're a cerebral circulation symphony. 10. Watermelon and tomatoes, citrulline and lycopene. Both elevate nitric oxide and boost arterial flexibility. Watermelon plus mint equals nature's nitric oxide cocktail. Food fuels the system, but lifestyle opens the pipes. Movement, your 20% perfusion boost. One brisk walk, one simple habit, increases brain blood flow by 20%. Modern life? Drive-thrus, deliveries, endless sitting, all killing circulation. Movement brings it back. Sleep, brain detox mode. In deep sleep, your vessels open wide to clear out amyloid waste, the debris linked to dementia. Unplug before 11 p.m. Let your brain clean house. Breathing, instant nitric oxide. Release, a deep inhale raises nitric oxide naturally. It's the fastest way to relax arteries. Stop the flow killers. Excess salt, saturated fat. Both constrict arteries and block nitric oxide. Think of a BP monitor like a toothbrush, a daily essential for vessel hygiene. Proper technique. Cuff snug and aligned with the vessel. Arm resting. Not lifted, feet uncrossed. Breathe normally when to call a doctor. If your BP drops below 90 and you normally run high, if you get dizzy standing while on medication, if dehydration, vomiting, diarrhea, or excess urination happen while medicated. This isn't medical advice. Always consult your doctor. Your brain depends on rivers, not reservoirs. It needs constant flow, constant oxygen, constant nourishment. You can't control your age, but you can control your circulation. Eat the foods that open your vessels. Move your body. Rest deeply. Monitor the numbers. And you give your brain the greatest gift of all: clarity, longevity, and a future where your memories stay yours.